Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Today I am going to talk about Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, PMSBY. Account holder of Bank of India can avail for this scheme. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, 1 year accidental insurance scheme, renewable from year to year. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana details. Details of the scheme. The scheme will be 1 year cover, renewable from year to year. Accident insurance scheme offering accidental death and disability cover for death or disability on account of an accident. The scheme would be offered or administered through public sector general insurance companies, PSGICs, and other general insurance companies willing to offer the product in similar terms with necessary approvals and tie up with banks for this purpose. Participating banks will be free to engage any such insurance company for implementing the scheme for their subscribers. Scope of coverage. All savings bank account holders in the age of 18 to 70 years in participating banks will be entitled to join. In case of multiple savings bank accounts held by an individual in one or different banks, the person would be eligible to join the scheme through one savings bank account only. Other would be the primary KYC for the bank account. Enrollment modality or period. The cover shall be for the 1 year period stretching from 1st June to 31st May, for which option to join or pay by auto debit from the designated savings bank account. The prescribed forms will be required to be given by 31st May of every year, extendable up to 31st August 2015 in the initial year. Initially on launch, the period for joining may be extended by Government of India for another 3 months, that is up to 30th of November 2015. Joining subsequently on payment of full annual premium may be possible on specified terms. However, applicants may give an indefinite or longer option for enrollment or auto debit, subject to continuation of the scheme with terms as may be revised on the basis of past experience. Individuals who exit the scheme at any point may rejoin the scheme in future years through the above modality. New entrants into the eligible category from year to year or currently eligible individuals who did not join earlier shall be able to join in future years while the scheme is continuing. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana benefits. On death, sum insured rupees 2 lakhs. Total and irrecoverable loss of both eyes or loss of use of both hands or feet or loss of sight of one eye and loss of use of hand or foot. Sum insured is rupees 2 lakhs. Total and irrecoverable loss of sight of one eye or loss of use of one hand or foot is rupees 1 lakh. Premium. Presently premium is rupees 20 per annum per member. The premium will be deducted from the account holder's savings bank account through auto debit facility in one installment on or before 1st June of each annual coverage period under the scheme. However, in cases where auto debit takes place after 1st June, the cover shall commence from the first day of the month following the auto debit. The premium would be reviewed based on annual claims experience. However, bearing unforeseen adverse outcomes of extreme nature, Efforts should be made to ensure that there is no upward revision of premium in the first 3 years. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana eligibility. The savings bank account holders of the participating banks aged between 18 years completed and 70 years age nearer birthday who give their consent to join or enable auto debit as per the above modality will be enrolled into the scheme. Master policy holder. Participating bank will be the master policy holder on behalf of the participating subscribers. A simple and subscriber friendly administration and claim settlement process shall be finalized by the respective general insurance company in consultation with the participating banks. Termination of cover. The accident cover for the member shall terminate on any of the following events and no benefit will be payable thereunder. On reaching age 70 years, age nearest birthday. Closure of account with the bank or insufficiency of balance to keep the insurance in force. In case a member is covered through more than one account and premium is received by the insurance company inadvertently, insurance cover will be restricted to one only and the premium shall be liable to be forfeited. If the insurance cover is seized due to any technical reasons such as insufficient balance on due date or due to any administrative issues, the same can be reinstated on receipt of full annual premium subject to conditions that may be laid down. During this period, the risk cover will be suspended and reinstatement of risk cover will be at the sole discretion of insurance company. Participating banks will deduct the premium amount in the same month when the auto debit option is given, preferably in May of every year, and remit the amount due to the insurance company in that month itself. Administration. The scheme subject to the above will be administered as per the standard procedure stipulated by the insurance company. Data flow process and data pro forma will be provided separately. It will be the responsibility of the participating bank to recover the appropriate annual premium from the account holders within the prescribed period through auto debit process. Enrollment form or auto debit authorization in the prescribed pro forma shall be obtained and returned by the participating bank. In case of claim, the insurance company may seek submission of the same. Insurance company reserves the right to call for these documents at any point of time. The acknowledgement slip may be made into an acknowledgement slip cum certificate of insurance. The experience of the scheme will be monitored on a yearly basis for recalibration, etc., as may be necessary. Appropriation of premium. Insurance premium to insurance company rupees 18 per annum per member. Reimbursement of expenses to BC or micro or corporate or agent rupees 1 per annum per member. Reimbursement of administrative expenses to participating bank rupees 1 per annum per member. The proposed date of commencement of this scheme will be 1st June 2015. The next annual renewal date shall be each successive 1st June in subsequent years. The scheme is liable to be discontinued prior to commencement of a new future renewal date if circumstances so require. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana facilities. Facilities for enrollment under PMSBY scheme branch by submission of enrollment forms at branch and ensuring sufficient balance in account. Forms available under download from section. BC point. BC can do the enrollment of customers in QSK portal. Facilities. Enrollment by customer through self-subscribing mode by login on URL https janasuraksha.in. Enrollment facility through branch and BC channel. Enrollment facility through internet banking. Lesser premium is rupees 19 for voluntary enrollment through electronic mode, that is mobile banking or internet banking or through SMS. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Terms and conditions. In case of multiple savings bank accounts held by an individual in one or different banks, the person would be eligible to join the scheme through one savings bank account only. Aadhaar would be the primary KYC for the bank account. However, it is not mandatory for enrollment in the scheme. Coverage under this scheme is in addition to cover under any other insurance scheme the subscriber may be covered. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana forms. There are enrollment forms available in the Bank of India site in both English and Hindi, and claim form is also available. These are downloadable. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Frequently asked questions. What is the nature of the scheme? The scheme will be a one-year cover, personal accident insurance scheme, renewable from year to year, offering protection against death or disability due to accident. What would be the benefits under the scheme and premium payable? The benefits are as follows. Table of benefits. Death. Sum insured rupees 2 lakhs. Total and use of recoverable loss of both eyes or loss of use of both hands or feet or loss of sight of one eye and loss of use of hand or feet. Sum insured is rupees 2 lakhs. Total and recoverable loss of sight of one eye or loss of use of one hand or foot. Sum insured is rupees 1 lakh. How will the premium be paid? The premium will be deducted from the account holder's savings bank account through auto debit facility in one installment as per the option to be given on enrollment. Members may also give one-time mandates for auto debit every year till the scheme is in force, subject to recalibration that may be deemed necessary on review of experience of the scheme from year to year. Who will offer or administer the scheme? The scheme would be offered or administered through the public sector general insurance companies, PSGICs, and other general insurance companies willing to offer the product with necessary approvals on similar terms in collaboration with participating banks. Participating banks will be free to engage any such general insurance company for implementing the scheme for their subscribers. Who will be eligible to subscribe? All savings bank account holders in the age of 18 years to 70 years in participating banks will be entitled to join. In case of multiple savings bank accounts held by an individual in one or different banks, the person would be eligible to join the scheme through one savings bank account only. What is the enrollment period and modality? Initially, on launch of the cover period from 1st June 2015 to 31st May 2016, subscribers are expected to enroll and give their auto debit option by 31st May 2015, extendable up to 31st August 2015. Enrollment subsequent to this date may be possible prospectively on payment of full annual payment, subject to conditions that may be laid down. Subscribers who wish to continue beyond the first year will be expected to give their consent for auto debit before each successive May 31st for successive years. Delayed renewal subsequent to this date may be possible on payment of full annual premium, subject to conditions that may be laid down. Can eligible individuals who fail to join the scheme in the initial year join in subsequent years? Yes, on payment of premium through auto debit. New eligible entrants in future years can also join accordingly. Can individuals who leave the scheme rejoin? Individuals who exit the scheme at any point may rejoin the scheme in future years by paying the annual premium subject to conditions that may be laid down. Who would be the master policyholder for the scheme? Participating banks will be the master policyholders. Simple and subscriber-friendly administration and claim settlement process shall be finalized by PSGIC's chosen insurance company in consultation with the participating bank. When can the accident cover assurance terminate? The accident cover of the member shall terminate or be restricted accordingly on any of the following events. On attaining age 70 years, age near birthday, closure of account with the bank or insufficiency of balance to keep the insurance in force. In case a member is covered through more than one account and premium is received by the insurance company inadvertently, insurance cover will be restricted to one account and the premium shall be liable to be forfeited. What will be the role of the insurance company and the bank? The scheme will be administered by PSGIC or any other general insurance company which is willing to offer such a product in partnership with a bank or banks. It will be the responsibility of the participating bank to recover the appropriate annual premium in one installment as per the option from the account holders on or before the due date through auto debit process and transfer the amount due to the insurance company. Enrollment form, an auto debit authorization or consent cum declaration form in the prescribed format shall be obtained as required and retained by the participating bank. In case of claim, PSGIC or insurance company may seek submission of the same. PSGIC or insurance company also reserve the right to call for these documents at any point of time. Will this cover be in addition to cover under any other insurance scheme? The subscriber may be covered under. Yes. Thank you very much for your patience.